Alright, so the next thing we're going to try and do here would be to create a hyperlink from the titles of our posts. So right now, if anyone tries to click on post 6 as an example, nothing's going to happen. If they tried to click on, say, post 1, nothing will happen again. So ideally, whenever anyone clicks on the title of our post, it should take them to the individual page for that particular post. And even right now, with the excerpt over here, all we have are 3 buttons and you can't even click on them. So we need to create links associated with each one of our posts so that whenever anyone clicks on those links, it will take them to the individual page for that particular post. What we're going to do in this particular video would be to create hyperlinks from the titles of our posts. And I'm going to make use of a function which is the permalink. And according to the codex, it says it displays the URL for the permalink to the post currently being processed in the loop. So what I'm going to do is very simply, I'm going to scroll all the way down here. I am going to grab this code under use as link with title tag. So this is the code you can use to create a hyperlink from the title of your post. So I'm going to go ahead right now and I'm going to grab this. Let's copy that. And I'm going to jump to my Notepad++. Let me just make sure that the connection is still working. So sometimes I do have issues with my Notepad++. Sometimes it will lose connection to my database. But anyway, what I'm going to do here is I am going to overwrite this code right here where we have the PHP, the title. I'm going to leave the H2 tags as they are. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and overwrite the title and then paste the new code that we have written. So let me just create some space over here so you can see what's really happening. All right, so we have that. I'm going to go ahead right now and save this. Hopefully the connection has been restored. And good, it looks like it's uploaded. Awesome. Let's go back to my page, refresh, and voila. Now if I click on post 6, guess what? It's going to take me now to the individual page for post 6 where you can read the full contents of the article. So we have successfully created hyperlinks from the titles of our posts. Now, how did we do this? The first thing I want you to understand is that over here from post 6, 3 things are happening right here. First of all, post 6, which is the title of our post, is being displayed. That's one. Number 2 is the fact that post 6 is now a link. And then number 3 is the fact that when you click on post 6, when you click on the link, it will take you to the individual page of that post. So 3 things are happening in here. And I'm going to explain to you how those 3 things are working in here. First of all, we have the title. This is what displays post 6. This is what displays the title of the post. And then the Ahref tag over here is what creates the link for that post. And then finally, the permalink, which is embedded inside of our A tag, is what actually makes that link go to the individual page of that post when it is clicked on. All right. Now, this final piece of code right here, the title attribute, you can ignore this. You don't even need to add this in your piece of code. It will still work regardless. So that's how to create a permalink from the titles of your posts. And what I want you to do is to go ahead and simply do the same for the post under the slides category and finally the post under the custom category. So all you have to do is just go back to your file and then just copy and paste the same code, just overwrite PHP the title under the slides category, and then do the same for the custom category as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Join me in the next class where I'll show you how to customize the excerpt.